How to return on Goat. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to return on Goat. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So you can download Goat on Google Play Store and App Store, or you can visit their website. So if you want to create an account, you can use our link down there in the video description below. So make sure to follow all of our links, since some of their links have bonus rewards upon signing up or following the links. So yeah, make sure to follow them. So without further ado, let's get started. So after ordering items on Goat and you receive the items, you have at least 3 days before requesting a return. So if you want to do that, you can just go to your profile right here on the bottom right corner, and as you can see, you will see an order options right here on the bottom part. And as you can see, all of the items that is being delivered or being ordered will be listed right here, and if they are delivered, you can see them. And if you want to, for example, request a return, you can just click them right here, and there will be a button that says return or return item. Or if you don't see an return item, you can visit their website again and our website support website, so that you can submit a ticket, so you can submit your request. So upon requesting a return or a refund of your item, they will show you a terms and conditions that you need to follow in order for your return to be approved. So one of them will be like the item should not be having any type of damage, so the item should look as it was delivered. So yeah, so you need to also have a label or a shipping box of your item that is labeled return. So you need to input a text right there that says return. So if you want to find more about the terms and condition, you can visit their support website on Google, and you will see all of the terms and condition that you need to follow in order for your return to be approved. And yeah, that's it. So after that, after requesting a refund, a goat stop will go to your home and collect your items. So they will deliver it back on Goat Merchant, and they will check for 1 week to see if your item is good for refunding. And yeah, that's it. So after 7 weeks of waiting, after your refund is approved, you just need to wait until your payment is refunded. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can return on Goat. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.